Hello Legacy Brothers. Today I'm going to show you some of the most important things that are covered by insurance companies that we're dealing with right now at this property that most homeowners do not know about. Let's go. We got a massive invoice from an independent plumber, so we just wanted to find out what.
Yeah, I have the problem here, but I want to open the water because the water waits.
The most common things that most of us homeowners know that's covered by the building insurance companies, things like fire, water, storm damage, malicious damage to properties, household facilities such as tennis courts, permanent swimming pools, domestic water tanks, and fixed generators are some of the things that we homeowners, building insurance companies cover. Also, there are other things like malfunction geysers, broken windows, and electrical problems. These are the things that are most common to us as landlords. But today I'm going to share with you one of the most important physical structure that's covered by insurance that most of us homeowners are not aware of. Mind you, if you have a bond over your property, this is a standard cover that the insurance companies give you, because you cannot buy a property through the bond or through the bank without having an insurance premium on your building. So what's the problem?
Yeah, it's the problem there. It's being leaking. Look at where it's making noise.
Okay, so it's leaking underground.
Yeah, down.
Okay, underneath the bath. Guys, plumbing is one of the basic things that are covered by insurance companies that us landlords, most of us are not aware of. We got a budget from an independent plumbing company that's going to cost us 5,000 rand to fix this. But now the insurance company is going to come in and they're going to help us to fix this by just paying an excess fee of 800 rand. Guys, I'm sure you heard the noise from the inside. There's a pipe that's broken underneath the bath. And therefore, when you open the tap from the main switch, the water then comes out. What they are doing now is that we're waiting for the insurance company to come and chop it and then adjust or fix the problem inside so that we do not waste a lot of water. To fix this is going to cost a lot of money. But because we've got a bond over this property, and because we've got insurance over this property, and because we've read through the fine print of the contract that we've signed with the insurance company, we realize that this can be fixed because it's physical structure, it's part of the permanent structure of the building, and the insurance company is going to come in and fix this for us. And we only paying an excess fee of 800 rand. So yes, in hindsight, you've saved 4,200 rand. This is one of the reasons why insuring your property is very important. Do not take that for granted. Do you know what's one of the most important items on our insurance policy that we take for granted? Plumbing. Guys, as you can see, contractors are here from the insurance company and they're going to identify the problem. And if you can see now, it's just the galvanized. You can see that the galvanized joint is leaking over there. And we're just waiting to identify the whole problem so that we can solve this problem out. What do you think caused this problem or might have caused the problem?
The pipe is old, is corroded, you can see.
Yeah.
These are galvanized because they were put here a long time. On the first time they built the house, so now it's corroded. You can see it was on it. That's the time it fails now.
What would be the solution?
Now we must do a joint to joint.
Maybe from this side you will see there is copper. This side is copper. We can take it from here up to there.
And put the copper. Copper doesn't rust.
Copper doesn't rust.
Now we will end up breaking inside anyway. Because you see now from here we must go above the bath. We're going to break the ties again so that we can make that joint to joint. Because we can't claim it here, it's corroded. We must make a joint from here up to the tap itself.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll end up breaking inside also.
So this is the disclaimer form, right? The one you want me to sign.
Yeah. This goes to your insurance. So you just write here on the further arrangement and comments. That's where you write, give the plumber permission to break the ties if you want to have spare ties, but you will be happy with the information.
Okay, thank you. So guys, on the surface it looks like a small job, but this is actually a very big job. As you can see, they're chopping from the inside and then they will then come in and cut this and join it with a copper instead of just the normal galvanized erodes with time. Copper doesn't, and that's why they're going to use copper to join this and to solve the problem. With all this, if you do not have insurance, this is a very big job. How much would it cost to do this independent of the insurance? If you have
it's later because copper pipes have gone up already twice this year.
Yes.
So on our labor, it's gonna be very expensive for the client. Paying that 500 or 800 excess is much cheaper.
It's much
because
cheaper.
The rest the insurance will cover.
Yes.
Yeah. On my side, I charge an hour.
Yes.
But under insurance, we got a discount.
Yes.
Insurance comes to us and negotiate the price because we give you plenty work. We're gonna give you this rate.
Yes.
Normally, rate per hour is gonna go up to 6 something an hour.
Wow.
So you see now, and this job can take maybe 4 or 5 hours. So now, plus times that money is a lot.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
Plus the labor.
Plus the building.
Yes.
So you lucky because you pay 500. They will send the guy for builder
Yes.
with the same rate that is 500.
Yes.
You don't pay extra most of the time.
Yes.
Yeah, it depends on which insurance your policy you took.
Yes.
For some you just pay one excess.
Yes.
For the builder, for the tiler, for the plumber, then it's much cheaper.
Yes. And that's exactly what this one is.
Yes, it's gonna be more than it is. Maybe if it was private, you would be paying maybe more. Minus plus, more than 10.
More than 10,000.
Yes.
You see? So there you have it, guys.
Yeah.
Do the right thing and have the right insurance policy. I'm officially giving you the permission to claim your house insurance as long as you know what that means by watching this video. Be a legacy builder. Watch the next video and don't forget to subscribe.